Arigato. Like in every Japanese house, first thing you do, you gotta take off your shoes. This is the Fantastico bedroom, guys. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kyoto. So guys, before we start today's video, I actually just made a purchase. An $800 purchase. I got so fed up with this crappy camera that I bought in Nagoya that I just bought the Sony a7 II here in Kyoto. Let's switch to this real quick. We are here in Kyoto in Japan, and we're gonna be giving you guys an apartment tour. I just woke up in my beautiful bed. This is our Kyoto apartment. Are you guys excited to see where we're gonna be living for a little bit? Let's head outside of this building and show you what we got. Gentlemen, I want to give you guys a tour of our awesome building. So it's kind of put out here in this awesome alley in Kyoto, somewhere in the kind of central area of the city. Very close, we're about a 10-minute walk from Kyoto Station. This is the building. Just so you know, the building that we're living in here actually has a steak restaurant at the bottom, which is super awesome. These really, really fancy opening doors. Watch this. Alrighty, so we just entered the bottom of our building behind our cool closing doors. This is kind of like the lobby, quote unquote, if that makes sense. You enter over here, we're gonna use our awesome little futuristic key to enter the area where the elevator is. We have an incredible box. We stick our little key in here. Listen to this. It's like an amazing Japanese robot door. We're gonna hit our elevator button and listen to this. Our elevator speaks Japanese. Arigato. So, we've come up to the second floor. This is where our apartment is located. We're gonna enter our beautiful apartment and show you our fantastic little house. Like in every Japanese house, first thing you do, you gotta take off your shoes, push them on the side because you don't need those in the house. Right in the entrance of this house, you have a little mirror just to your left with a little closet, which is super nice. Once again, in Japan, everything is like super compact and nice feeling. This house is actually very reminiscent to the first house we had in Shinjuku in Tokyo. That's why I love it so much. It kind of feels like we're going back in time a little bit. But I love the fact that when you enter, you get hit with the kitchen right away. We get right to business right away. No jokes in this house. Every man needs a kitchen, and I want a kitchen immediately when I come to my house. So we got a gas burner stove. We got a bunch of places to store stuff. We got all the utensils, all the beautiful see-through blue chopsticks that you could ever need. We got 50 of them. Here we got a sink. Fantastic little area here. We got how do you say, a microwave, and most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, we got a refrigerator. Look at all that space. If you move yourself on back to the back behind the kitchen, we got our awesome, and I have to say, this place is really awesome, bathroom, toilet situation. So first of all, we got these awesome Japanese sliding doors. If you want some privacy, you close that one up. Ain't no one coming in here except for your good old self. Our toilet situation. We got slippers. We got heated seats. Just imagine my pants were off right now. Toilet paper recommendations of the chef. Okay, that part was weird, that last part. As we exit the toilet, we come on in to the shower room. And now the shower room, I have to say, is very impressive. First of all, we have a little dashboard here of lights and controls, all in Japanese. So I'm not pressing any buttons except for the ones that the host of this house has told us we can press. We got our light switch. See, the light behind me is turned on. We can enter the beautiful restroom. Now you might be hearing a fan going off, and that's because on this dashboard as well, there's actually room to click buttons to turn a fan on or off. Besides being a shower and a bath, you have this little dryer up top where you can dry all your clothes. So you have a washing machine as well in this unit, so it doesn't matter if you can wash or not. I like the fact that we can just kind of lay our laundry out on here when it's wet, after we finish washing, and dry it out. It makes everything feel a lot more homey because it means we don't have to leave the house to get any of that stuff done. We can just do that all in home. That's our beautiful shower situation. I love this place a lot. I'll see you guys next time. And of course we got our sink toilet center here. A light switch to see, you know, if you're doing your makeup in the morning, you gotta adjust your beard that you've been growing for the last year. Follow me. We exit this bathroom situation, and now we come into what I like to call the magic room. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the bedroom. Can we get some romantic music going and dim the lights down low? We got lights on. We got another one of these electronic dashboards here that will turn on, I think, both the heater and the lighting situation, and it's just a really cool little system here. Everything in the house is kind of electronic. Besides that, hands down, and I mean hands down, the most comfortable bed I have had on my travels around the world so far. I wouldn't think it would just be in this apartment in Kyoto, but wow. I slept like a child last night. For some reason, this room, the way it catches the cold and the heat at the same time, it's perfectly even. So when you get under these amazing silky nice covers, you go to sleep like a little angel. It's like I just want to do everything on here. I want to throw a freaking slumber party. I want to pillow fight my cameraman. This is the Fantastico bedroom, guys. I love this. We have a little electronic output out there. Once again, like in every Japanese house that we've been to so far, everything kind of slides and is able to change around. And it's kind of fluid with the movement of the house. So, welcome to our living room. These sliding doors open up into an awesome living room that right now is being occupied by some Pokemon dolls, because I have no self-control when it comes to buying things. But if you were able to ignore that, you would see that we have an awesome couch here. Actually very comfortable. We sat down here and did a lot of work last night. I actually did my subscriber celebration for 50,000 subscribers right here in this house. We got our awesome little centerpiece here to be able to work on. This is kind of like our charging hub at the moment and a workstation. These are the little Wi-Fi hotspots that provide internet for the house and actually the entire building. And speaking about staying here, you might be wondering, wait, is this your apartment? No, this isn't our apartment, but we are here for a little while we're here in Kyoto. But this is actually a rentable Airbnb. You can come and stay here, and you'll be able to come and stay here because it's going to be a hotel in a little bit, this entire building. So make sure that you check them down in the description below. We'll give you all their information. This place is super budgetable. I mean, it'll be cheaper than a hostel, a hotel room by far. Right here on this little dashboard, we got a nice little cabinet space with a pen, pencils, whatever you want. You got some TV action going on, and you got a little beautiful lamp. And this will lead us out. So this is our balcony. First balcony that properly has a place to sit down and kind of chill out and relax.
Comes with Crocs.
Comes with free Crocs. Hey guys, it's me. Hi Moshe. Look at it. And that's pretty much our apartment. What do you think?
I love it. I love it.
Because this place is so cool, and obviously I want to pimp out the people who are letting us stay here for this YouTube sponsorship, I want to show you guys what's directly in the area, because there's actually a really cool shrine, literally 2-second walk right outside of the house. So the name of this temple is actually Higashi Honganji. It's actually partnered up with another Buddhist temple called Nishi Honganji. They are the two large temples that are kind of based in the center of Kyoto, and they are giant complexes with a lot to see on the inside. Once again, this is just a brief overview. So if you're coming to stay in Kyoto in our Airbnb, you gotta come and go give this Buddhist temple some love. Guys, so we've met up with Kaz. He is our host for the Airbnb.
Okay.
He's taking us out to eat here in the area, and he's going to show us a cool place. We're going to izakaya.
Izakaya.
And the izakaya is like a Japanese bar, right?
Japanese dining bar with a little bit everything.
Yeah.
So you can try many things.
So it's going to be fantastic. I'm excited to try it. First things first, we got to take off our shoes. Even in a restaurant, it's pretty amazing.
It's a private room, so you can take it.
Oh wow, awesome. ありがとうございます。
You guys want either way is fine.
Wow.
はい、お願いいたします。Order through iPad.
Kanpai, guys.
Bye.
First taste of Japanese beer.
We call this.
That is good.
Shochu is like you know the sake.
Yeah.
Is made from rice.
Okay.
Shochu is made from potatoes.
Potatoes.
Did you know?
No, I did not know.
So this is shochu, and this is like dark beer. So you mix it. In
Okay.
Japan, this is like we mix the shochu and beer, like that. Okay. I think so. You're the.
Becoming an alcoholic Japanese today. Let's see what happens.
I was drinking hoppy.
Oh,
Interesting. After this, sake.
it's kind of. Wait, hold on. It's kind of flavorless. It's like really easy to drink. It's kind kind of like water. Guys, we got some sashimi incoming. Oh, look at that. Seems like a new thing.
This is sea bream. In Japan, sea bream is very, it's considered a happy thing. So when someone get married, in that wedding ceremony, we usually put one big sea bream. Means it's a symbol of happiness.
Okay. Guys, I'm having, and I really do believe this is the first time in my life ever having just raw fish. No rice at all. There's nothing to even help me take it down. So this is sea bream. We're dipping it in this soy sauce wasabi mix. And here we go, down the hatch. I think I'm getting better at eating these. I'll tell you what, the only thing that kind of scared me on impact was the wasabi. Because it was really strong. But it's not bad at all. Guys, so much good food is coming out. This is how it is in an izakaya restaurant. It's just, you order a bunch of different
stuff.
Yeah, so we got some steak right now that just came out. It's still sizzling. And then here, we got grilled ray fin. If you guys know what a stingray is, fin of a stingray, sliced up and then barbecued. We're gonna try that up. Now, being from Florida, we have stingrays everywhere, but it's not very common that I've heard of them being served or eaten anywhere. So I'm surprised that it's taken me to Japan to try this for the first time, but it's really crazy. You can see the individual grooves of the meat, kind of like the lines. Looks really good. Let's try it. Wow. Believe it or not, the meat is like super sweet. It's like sugary almost. I don't know what a stingray is eating that makes it so sugary, but it's like super sugary. The texture is kind of like rips apart in your mouth. It doesn't melt by any means. It's a little jello-y, a little jerky kind of, but also a little meaty. Guys, we had sake came out. I don't know if I've already vlogged this or if I forgot, but there's a little bit of alcohol already soaring through my system, so I'm forgetting to pick up the camera. We get Japanese sake. Sake, if you guys didn't know, it's a drink made out of rice. So it's like I guess it would be your equivalent of vodka in Japan.
Yes.
At least with its popularity, but the alcohol is super easy to take down, at least in my opinion. And it can be served either warm or cold. And this one's kind of like room temperature, and it's delicious.
It's me.
Alright guys, we're gonna end this video. I'm feeling a little lightheaded because we drank a little bit. It's good. We're gonna head on home, back to the apartment that we're staying at. You guys got that awesome apartment tour. The reason we also came over here is to show you this is another awesome place that's very close. And Kaz's so nicely brought us out. He's gonna actually give us our Japanese word of the day for today. And that word is?
Okay, tomodachi means friendship.
Tomodachi.
So me and Tal, we love friends called tomodachi.
Tomodachi. So that's us, guys. That's our Japanese word of the day. Make sure that you check out his Airbnb down in the description below. If you guys want to book it, you can book the Airbnb. The link will be provided. If you're coming to Japan, if you're planning on coming to Kyoto, book that ahead of time and use my code. You can get yourself $40 off. And make sure you check out the travelingclad.com as well. If you want to get some awesome merchandise like this, you want to get yourself a shirt like this, a shirt like this, a jacket, a mug, whatever you want, and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I love you long time, and we'll see you next time. A good night, class.